what would you advocate for government to do to improve control of water pollution?
First of all, there are schemes which government have launched both in the urban sector and the rural sector. Like in the rural, the scheme is Total Sanitation Campaign, TSC, and in the urban sector, the Urban Sanitation Policy is there. So both these schemes are very well, which provide you with 100% safe sanitation policy scheme. So these needs to be properly implemented. And just focusing on one particular system of adopting it might not work. So like for example, in the city sanitation plan, if it is just proposed that laying of the sewerage in the city will be done and construction of more sewage treatment plants will be done, then I fear that we may fail it also, because in the last 50 years we have failed in achieving our targets in terms of sewage generation. The generation is always larger than what we predict, and whatever the sewage treatment plant capacity we install, that becomes short of the targeted estimation. So there is a need that besides doing this, we should explore the sustainable way of management of wastewater also at local level, at small levels, at decentralized levels, like the water should be reused there also. So besides focusing on the centralized scheme which we have been doing for the last 50 years, we need to focus on the decentralized approach of management of both water and wastewater, both at the community level, at the institutional level, at the group fostering societies level. So these kind of things should be simultaneously looked up. Then properly defined bylaws should come. Properly defined bylaws should become from the different states. Several states have come up with their modified bylaws. There is need of modification in the building bylaws. For example, the building bylaws should be made more stringent in terms of adoption of sustainable water and wastewater management practices, like rainwater harvesting in the case of water, wastewater recycling and reuse in the case of wastewater, then delegation of proper responsibilities should be there. Right now water has become a mesh in different departments. Somewhere it is coming under jurisdiction of urban development, then the Ministry of Water Resources, then the local municipal corporations and all. So a proper delegation of responsibility has to come up, that otherwise certain projects just linger in between because of this, that it is whose responsibility to take up it forward. Right?
Okay.
So proper capacity building also needs to take place of the regulatory persons also. Besides creating awareness of the general people, proper capacity building needs to be done for the municipal functionaries, and the parastatal agencies also. So these kind of things needs to be done.